Ni mahenya makoretwo magithie na mbere kuma wakana tariki 12 mweri uyu kuria matereba a ngari cia safari rally makoretwo magitwikania ndoro-ini na mahiga-ini makionania minyonyo na utaramu wao wa guthie na thibidi ya iguru. President William Ruto agitongoria mihango ya kuhinga mahenya maya ni acokeria a Kenya ngatho nundu wa kwiyumiria na namba nene kuria ameriria ati kwambiriria mwaka turorete matigakorwo magithinika ni muatikano barabara-ini amu thirikari ni gakorwo irikiriirie mihango ya kwaramia barabara.
On your way back you will be enduring a lot of jam and a lot of vehicles on the road. I just want to assure you that this is the last year where we are going to have jams on the road between Nakuru and Nairobi. By next year, we will have completed the dualling of the Nairobi-Nakuru highway, and you will find your way to Naivasha much more easily.
Oho President augite thirikari ndiri huthagira mbeca cia muingi kurugamira mahenya maya indi kwambiriria riu mbeca icio iri huthagirwo kugacirithia mathako na makiria mathukuru-ini.
This is the last safari rally where we will be expending public money to promote it. From next year, this event will be fully funded, fully supported by the private sector. And I want to congratulate the private sector for stepping up as patriots and citizens and partners with the government of Kenya to assume the responsibility of hosting this event.
Minister wa ugendi Rebecca Miano ni agathiririe mahenya maya akiuga makoretwo makinyita itemi nene hari kuguciriria agendi kuma guku gitaro-ini kia Africa o hamwe na nja.
This has been a very good season for tourism. We understand that the hotels in Nakuru County and the environs are 100% occupied. We have received all guests, many from the region. We are happy that in the East Africa community, they have decided to tembelea jirani.
Mahenya maya ma safari rally makoretwo magitafanio guku bururi-ini o mwaka kuma mwaka wa 2021 na ni thutha wa mukurugamio ihinda ria miaka 19 kuria mahenya maya makoretwo mari kiguciririo kinene kia agendi a guku bururi-ini o hamwe na nja. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Kate Muthoni.